Hi everyone, I'm Michelle from Rockin Cushions, and today I'm going to show you how to put on one of my custom IKEA Poang slip covers on your Poang cushion. And today I have three different slip cover designs. I have two velvet and I have one in boucle. And I also have the three different IKEA cushions that you can buy for your IKEA chair. So hopefully this video will show you how easy it is to customize your generic IKEA Poang chair so it fits in better with your decor at home, or maybe you want it to look like it's not from IKEA at all, in which case a slipcover is the perfect solution. So I'm going to start with the boucle cover. And when you buy our covers, they come in the chair, they come with the chair and the footstool in a set like this. So just going to open it up. And here we have the footstool cover. And here we have the chair cover. And I'm going to start with this cushion that's on the chair right now. This is the cheapest cushion that you can get from IKEA, so most likely you might have this one, but I also have the other two that I will demonstrate as well. So super easy to do. What you want to do is you want to locate the invisible zipper, which is at the bottom of the cover, like this. And just open it up. And then you are going to feed the top of the cushion through the zipper opening. So you just want to make sure that the Velcro strip on the back of the cushion is at the top, and you are going to feed it through like this. It helps if you fold the cushion in half, so you know it can slide in more easily I should say. And then you can see the zipper is at the bottom of the cushion on the back, and you're just going to zip it up like this and place it on the chair. And now I'm going to show you that we have two straps at the top here, which I'm just going to secure around the top of the chair frame. And this is important because it stops the cushion from sliding around, and it also secures the cover to the cushion underneath. And that is it. That is how easy it is. And just on a side note, all of our covers are 100% machine washable, so you can just throw them in the washing machine and in the dryer on a low setting, and they're good as new. So for the footstool cover, you are going to find the invisible zipper on the side, open it up, and then you are just going to line up the Velcro strip on the bottom of the cushion with the Velcro strip on the bottom of the cover. So this is what you're basically going to do. You're going to put in this part, fold this in half, stick it in, and then we're going to zip it up just like this, and then you're going to place this Velcro part on the horizontal Velcro on the actual stool itself. Here it is, yeah. Okay. Just like this. And there you have it.